Hedgehog app. The pros, the cons. Hedgehog is an investment app designed to simplify portfolio management while offering automated insights. But is it worth your time? Starting with the pros. First, AI-driven recommendations. Hedgehog uses algorithms to suggest allocations based on your risk tolerance and goals. Second, goal tracking. The app helps you set and monitor financial targets like retirement, emergency funds, or big purchases. Third, low minimums. Hedgehog allows new investors to start small, making investing accessible to everyone. Now, the cons. One limitation is lack of advanced features. Experienced traders may find the platform too simplified. Another drawback is dependency on AI. Recommendations are algorithm-based, so human oversight and market conditions can still impact results. The surprising truth? Many people get this wrong. They think AI guarantees profits. Hedgehog is about guidance, not guarantees, but it makes investing more approachable. In conclusion, the pros: AI-driven guidance, goal tracking, and low minimums make Hedgehog perfect for beginners seeking structured investing. The cons: limited advanced tools and reliance on AI suggests seasoned investors may need other platforms. Overall, Hedgehog combines simplicity and smart technology for effective portfolio management.